I'm Barth.
And I'm Olok. We've been hearing a lot of stuff about how our little farm is unsafe and abusive to our little critters. And we just wanted to come on here and clear some things up because you guys are talking smack. Let's meet one of our furry little friends. Sheep, get! Come on! Get over here!
I love this sheep.
Our sheep have fresh pastures to graze on and beautiful clean water to drink. Take a little sip, buddy. This little guy was born only 3 hours ago.
Now he's ready for work.
He's gonna take some scrapping to town today.
It's only 20 miles, so we're taking it easy on him.
He's a proper pack animal.
Whoa, 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 buddy, one more.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Oh, don't give up yet. We still got 10 miles left, buddy. Good sheep. Let's go, little buddy. Hey, get back here. You had your water for the week, buddy. What do you think this is? Beautiful day.
Yep.
Our farm has some beautiful nature, but don't come and visit it because it's private property and we will have to shoot you.
This farm has been in our family for generations.
Art's father passed it down to him when he drove into that preschool and died. Sheep are very social creatures.
This one's heard abandon it though, so it's with us.
He's having so much fun. Yeah. Too bad we gotta kill him and eat him tonight.
This is the one sheep that betrayed us. Look, Bart, the desert oasis.
Sheep love to swim.
Let's go, buddy. Let's go, sheepy. Come on. Oh!
Sheep, no! No! Come on!
No!
To the shore!
God! Oh, God. Well, guys, thanks for watching our little video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And I'll see you in the next one.